Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Algorand update, it is holding good, however we are going to see the next targets, and as you all know, crypto market is not very stable. I hope that you are having a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's start with Algorand against USDT. What we are seeing right now is that we stopped on the 50-day exponential moving average. We had an overbought situation with the commodity channel index, but at the same time we have something that we cannot ignore. The fact that we have a weekly bullish RSI divergence going on between the 7 March and 25 April. So Algorand is very likely to move even higher into the next few days. We are going to show though the most important targets in which if we go down from them, then it is over, or if we go up, it is a very nice movement. Actually, it will mean that we have a very nice movement from Algorand. Let's go to Algo against Bitcoin chart. You can see today while we cannot and why we cannot go even higher, we are correcting against Bitcoin chart. This is making our lives a little bit harder. You can see that we had a correction going on, bearish RSI divergence for Algorand against Bitcoin chart on the 4-hour frame, and this is one of the reasons why we are going further down. What are the next support levels? We are going from this bottom to this top. We are going to find some major support levels that we need to hold. The first one is the 0.40947 and of course the 0.401847 to 50. From there, what we need to do is to either hold this or this line. The most important one is this target right here, the 0.401850. If we can manage to hold it, then that means that we are going to go even higher. However, if we do not hold it, then we are going to go even further down in the 0.618 to the 0.786, and this might mean that Algorand will stop moving higher. If Bitcoin actually holds the 34K that we talked about in the market update, then it is very possible that Algorand against USDT will move higher as well. You can check it out why Algorand against USDT is moving down because of Bitcoin's price action and because of Algorand against Bitcoin chart. For Algorand against USDT, what are the next major support levels? We are going to find them pretty soon enough. The 0.5 is a very strong support level. If we lose that, 0.66, you can see that. If we lose the 0.66, that means that we close below on the 4-hour frame, then we are going to the next price target, which will mean the 0.63. From there, it is very important to hold it, and especially the most important one is the 0.59. If we go below the 0.59, forget about a massive price action. This will lead to a further dump towards below the 0.53. However, what's the case here with Algorand, because we have a weekly bullish RSI, is most likely that it will go even higher. We have some very nice price targets for Algorand, and I think that we can even manage to pull off a 1 USDT Algorand right there. But in the meantime, what we have to do is, of course, for Bitcoin not to go down from the 33K. If we close below the 33K on the weekly frame, actually the 34K, right, then I'm afraid Bitcoin will go down to 28K and Algorand will lose its momentum, having a crash going on. So you need to be very careful with Algorand and with Algorand against Bitcoin chart. Also be very careful on what you stake this moment and for the next few months. Maybe you stake an altcoin that has already pumped 1000x and now will go down 90%. You should be careful also of scammers because they find the best moments now that the crypto market is going down to enter into sending you a private message, and then because of the depression you are most likely to fall a victim of scammers. And be careful of them because they are growing more and more into the comment section as well, into the Telegram and many other things. So important lines to hold 0.66, 0.6330. If Algorand does not hold that, we are going to 0.59, which is the last support level. Eventually, the next price targets, if we go higher and follow the weekly bullish RSI, so Bitcoin will go higher as well, is the 0.8448, and then we can progress through the next targets. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day and see you soon. Do not forget also to join our monthly subscription. Bye.